Ibrahim from Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, may Allah have a mercy on you and bless you.
And you as well, barakallah feek.
Sheikh, I asked you a question about our relationship with neighbors. I hope so you remember. So you replied that it depends on my intention that why I use word nonsense. But what if someone don't know and remember and certain that what his intention was, and he is not on either side that whether he has intention or not only in this case but also in other cases of life, and he also not remember the words he got thoughts about that maybe he said it. So what are the rulings for him, and is this kufr again, not in this case but in also in other cases of life?
First, Ufikum barakallah feek, Ibrahim. First of all, Akhi, if you were to write the question and leave it for a day or two and come back to it and read it, you will probably feel how I feel today and now. Because when someone comes and says, I don't remember what my intention was, and this happens all the time, and I'm always confused, and I'm always having panic and anxiety attacks. This is obvious. The moment you read it, you can tell that this individual has a big problem with overthinking. And this is what we do in counseling sessions. We open people's eyes to see clearly. Because most people with OCD, especially that which was generated by shaitan, fail to see where they are walking and what they're walking on. They fail to see their steps, so they trip, they fall, they are in confusion. Once you read the statement, you realize that, what am I saying? How am I allowing shaitan to mess up with my head this big? Things that you don't remember, things that you don't have a clear evidence of your intention of it. Move on. Life has millions of similar things in our daily lives. And if we were to just halt and stop everything to investigate, our lives are ruined. Marriages, work, studies, social life, everything is ruined. My mental peace of mind is ruined and gone down the drain. And this is what's happening to you. Beside the fact that it is illogical for someone to say, Sheikh, if I drink green tea after a big meal, is this kufr? What is kufr? Is it a label that we stick on anything we don't know what's the ruling on? Kufr is disbelief in Allah Azza wa Jal. So you can put it in contrast or opposite to Islam. So when you said what you had said about your neighbor, was this going against the belief in Allah, the belief in the Day of Judgment, the belief in the angels, the messengers, the Holy Scriptures, and the divine decree? If the answer is no, of course not. It has nothing to do with Islam at all. In this case, you've answered yourself.